Deviled eggs, but with a tangy dill pickle twist that makes them disappear fast. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, and today we're updating the classic deviled egg with a little bit of real dill pickle. Come on, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I'm using a half a dozen eggs. Bring the eggs to a boil, cook for 1 minute, and then let them sit in the hot water for an additional 10. Then we make an ice bath of ice and water and put the eggs in to rest for 10 full minutes to bring the temperature down right to the core. So once that's done, you can crack and peel the eggs. And I find that it's much easier to peel this way because the eggs have chilled and contracted just a bit, making them easier to peel. Another trick is to use eggs that are not quite fresh. If they've been in your fridge for a week or two, that little air pocket that forms will make them a breeze to peel. So once that's done, we're going to cut them. And this is another reason I love this method. The yolks cook perfectly. There's no unsightly green ring around them, and they are cooked all the way through. Pop the yolks into a mini food processor, and we're going to process this until it's really smooth with a few other ingredients like mayonnaise, and I use a little bit of dill pickle mustard, but you could also use Dijon or regular yellow mustard. I like to add a little seasoning in the form of salt and pepper and some of the pickle juice from the jar. Some chopped dill adds freshness. Blend until it's creamy and smooth. You may have to scrape down the bowl of the container a couple of times. Process until the filling is well blended. And if you like this kind of recipe, be sure to subscribe. Now look at how creamy and smooth that filling is. The final touch is diced dill pickles, and so you really want to mince the dill pickles finely so that they blend evenly into the creamy filling mixture, just like this. So next we're going to fill the egg whites, and you can use a pastry bag for this. If you do, I recommend a large tip to get those bits of dill pickle. Otherwise, a spoon works just as well. Fill each of the halves at least to the rim with the egg yolk mixture, and you can always come back and add more later. To garnish these eggs, we're going to use some simple paprika. You can use sweet or smoked, your choice, and just enough to give a little bit of color and brightness to these cheery little deviled eggs. The final touch is a slice of dill pickle and some fresh dill. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I'm Lisa from Garlic and Zest, sharing modern recipes for your family table. And if you want something fun for Easter, check out my deviled egg chicks. They're as cute as they are easy. Enjoy.